parts of the Philippines, courtesy of our weather forecaster here at the studio.
Thank you, Angelwa. Let's start the weather in Quezon City and nearby city in Metro Manila. We will experience a fine day today. It will be generally cloudy in the morning and cloudy in the afternoon. There will also be severe chance of thunderstorms. The temperature will reach 31 degrees Celsius. Please advance to weather. Sunrise will be 6:23 p.m. and sunset at 5:58 a.m. That's the weather forecast in Quezon City and NCR now. Back to the answer.
Okay, so NCR residents, it is okay to go to the parks today. Just make sure to put your sunblock hats.
Now, we will check out the forecast in other parts of the country. Let's start in Baguio. We have a weatherman in the field. Let's go to Baguio.
Hello Philippines! In Baguio, it will be mostly sunny with occasional showers in the afternoon. The temperature is 14 to 20 degrees Celsius, so make sure to wear thick clothes. And also, don't forget your umbrellas as there will be a 20% chance of rain according to Pag-asa. Sunrise is at 6:27 a.m. and sunset is at 5:57 a.m. That's the forecast here in Baguio City, Benguet.
Partner, the forecast is good in Baguio. Better pack up later and let's go there for the weekend.
Let me think about that. Now let's check the weather condition in Cebu City. In the Visayas, we also have a field reporter there. Hello then, Cebu City.
Buntag, Pilipinas! We also are experiencing an early summer in Cebu as the temperature will reach up to 37 degrees Celsius. It will be mostly sunny here and no chance of rainfall. So, folks, be ready with your summer and head to our beautiful beach. Here in Cebu, sunrise will be at 6 a.m. Sweet will be at 5:51. That's all.
Partner, maybe I just go to the Cebu rather than Baguio. I love it when it's sunny day.
Yeah, let's go there and I'll go to Baguio to relax and eat cold breeze.
Let's check out the weather in Mindanao. We have a field reporter there in Davao City.
Okay, Davao, what's your forecast there? Buntag, Pilipinas! The weather here in Davao is also fine. It's cloudy in the morning and will be sunny in the afternoon. There will also be light showers in the afternoon, so don't forget your umbrella. That's all for now. Thank you, Davao. The President hometown sure seem to have a fine weather today.
Yeah, that's right. And that's the end of our report. Thanks to our weatherman for giving us the report.
And thanks also to our audience. Until next time, God bless and take care, everyone.